Lot 170, that's lot 170, Bridgeport 2J vertical milling machine. 1.5 horsepower motor drive for the spindle, R8 spindle taper, variable speed to 4200. It has a Bridgeport variable speed power table feed. Rapid. It has a Acu-Rite Millvision with the manual, 3-axis digital readout, table, cross, and on the Quill. Cross feed on Y. Let's do the X for you. Table feed, and on the Quill. I'm going to fire this up. Oops, tried that again. Duh. Fire it up. Variable speed, we're in high range. Goes to 4200. I have the Quill feed engaged. I'll kick it in. Watch the Quill feed.